ළමයි ටික කොහෙද?
Where are the children?
Where are the children?
Where are the children?
ඒගොල්ලෝ පාක් එකේ.
They are in the park.
They are in the park. නේ? කියමු රිස්වි මොකද කරන්නේ?
What is Rizky doing?
What is Rizky doing? එයා rope ladder එකක උඩ නගිනවා. He is climbing up a rope ladder. Again?
He is climbing up a rope ladder.
නියාස් මොකද කරන්නේ?
What is Nias doing?
Very good. එයා පෝනියක් පිටේ යනවා.
He is
riding
a
pony.
pony.
Again?
He is riding a pony.
Riding a pony. එයා සතුටින් hina වෙනවා. He is
smiling
happily. Again?
He is
smiling happily. Amanda මොකද කරන්නේ?
What is Amanda doing?
එයා මේ listen board එකේ පද එයා slide එක පදිනවා. She is sliding down a slide. Again? Say it again. She is sliding down a sliding down ना पल्लेट. She is sliding down a slide. Right? සිතුලි මොකද කරන්නේ?
What is Situli doing?
Good again.
What is Situli doing?
යා පොණ්ඩ එකේ ඉන්න මාළුන්ට කන්න දානවා.
He is
feeding the fish in the pond. Say it again. She is feeding the fish.
He is
feeding the fish in the pond. එතකොට නිපුණුයි විග්නේෂය මොකද කරන්නේ?
What are Nipun and Vignesh
doing? Say it again.
What are Nipun and Vignesh doing?
ඒගොල්ලෝ ක්‍රිකට් ගහනවා. They are playing cricket. නිපුන් මොකද කරන්නේ?
What is Nipun doing?
එයා බෝල් කරනවා.
Is bowling.
විග්නේෂ් මොකද කරන්නේ?
What is Vignesh doing?
එයා බැට් කරනවා.
He is batting.
batting. ශෙරෝනුයි රෙබෙකායි මොකද කරන්නේ?
What are Sharon and Rebecca doing?
Very good. Again. What are Sharon and Rebecca doing? ඒගොල්ලෝ සීසෝ පදිනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ D.
They are
playing
seesaw.
they are playing on a seesaw. Good again.
They are playing on the seesaw.
playing on a seesaw. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අම්මලා මොකද කරන්නේ? ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ අම්මලා මොකද කරන්නේ? What are their mothers doing? Again? What are their mothers doing? ඒගොල්ලෝ තලකොළකට ඉඳන් ඉන්නවා. ඒගොල්ලෝගේ දේනේ. they ඉඳන් ඉන්නවා කියන්නේ they are sitting on the grass. Again? They are sitting on the grass. දෙගෙන අරගොල්ලෝ සෙල්ලම් කරන දිහා බලන් ඉන්නවා. They are sitting on the grass watching them at play. Again, watching them at play.
Watching them at the play.
Watching them at the play නෙමෙයි. Watching them at play. Watching them at play. Alright, good.